Okay, in this video we have quadrilaterals, right? ABCD is a quadrilateral with diagonals AC and diagonal length BD that intersect at point E. Okay, so we're told that ABCD is a quadrilateral with congruent diagonals. Okay, so we think about all of the quadrilaterals that have congruent diagonals. Rectangles have congruent diagonals, squares have congruent diagonals, and isosceles trapezoids are the three quadrilaterals that have congruent diagonals. Okay, well, these other two are parallelograms, and it doesn't tell us that it's a parallelogram. So the only thing that we're able to say is that it is an isosceles trapezoid. So let's draw our isosceles trapezoid on here, shall we? Okay, so here are your legs that are equal in an isosceles trapezoid. So we draw them so they kind of look equal. Okay, so here we have A and B and C and D. Okay, this is one diagonal that goes from B to D. And here's your other diagonal that goes from A to C. Now these things meet here at point E. Okay, so, oops, there's Mr. McKenna. This length here is 9, A to E is 9, B to E is 3x, E to D is 4x plus 5. Okay, sorry, the bell's about to ring. There it goes right now. Okay, so this is, in fact, an isosceles trapezoid, so E is not the middle, right? These things don't get bisected. The diagonals do not get bisected in a isosceles trapezoid. But what does happen in an isosceles trapezoid is these lengths are equal. Okay, so this is going to be the equation that we make, that 9 equals 3x, because this portion, these portions of your diagonals are in fact equal. So x equals 3. Okay, and that's good because then we can plug x equals 3 into this equation or this expression. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay, and because the fact that these ones are equal, this one over here is also 17. Right, because we're asked for what is the length of AC. So AC is your AE plus your EC, right? The segment addition postulate. So we have 9 for the length of AE and we have 17 for the length of EC, which means AC has a length of 26 units. Okay, so the diagonals of an isosceles trapezoid do not get bisected, but they do form equal portions. A to E for an isosceles trapezoid is equal to E to B. These portions are the same, as well as the rest of them. D to E is the same as E to C, right? This portion for an isosceles trapezoid are going to be equal. And that helps us to do some algebra.